Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be making a strawberry red velvet Valentine's Day cake. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. And without further ado, let's just get on with the video. In a medium-sized bowl, you're going to add your 2 eggs, your strawberry puree, and your vanilla extract. And you just want to mix this for a couple seconds until the ingredients come together. Moving on to the dry ingredients, in a medium-sized bowl, you want to add your cake flour, your sugar, your baking powder, and your salt, and you just want to whisk until the ingredients are mixed. Then you want to add in your softened butter and mix. Now add in your oil and again mix. Then you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry and then mix until the ingredients are nice and combined, and be sure to not overmix so you don't end up with a dense cake. Then you want to place your finished batter in your 2 6-inch grease pans, and you can grease yours with butter, a baking spray, or parchment paper, whatever you want to do. And once you've done that, you want to put this in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Moving on to the red velvet cake, in a medium-sized bowl, you want to add room temperature butter and your sugar and cream these together until the ingredients are smooth. Then you want to mix in your eggs one at a time. And also mix in your vanilla extract. In a small bowl, you want to add some vinegar to your buttermilk along with 2 teaspoons of red gel food coloring, and I use the Wilton brand. A medium-sized bowl, stuff together your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking soda, and your salt. Then you want to add half of your dry ingredients to your wet and mix. Then add half of your buttermilk and then just finish this process until all of the dry ingredients and your milk is finished. And make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl and make sure to get to the bottom of the bowl as well to make sure everything is incorporated and mixed thoroughly. Once your batter is finished, you want to grease 3 6-inch baking pans, and then you're going to put these in the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Moving on to the sturdy cream cheese frosting. In a medium-sized bowl, you want to add in your heavy cream, your powdered sugar, your vanilla extract, and your cream of tartar. And also, if you are adding food coloring in, I also recommend you guys add that part in now, and preferably a gel food coloring, because I don't think a water-based one would turn out too well for this. I just want to mix this on the highest speed you can put your mixer on and mix this until it becomes sticks and form stiff peaks. Then in a small bowl, you want to mix together your cream cheese, and then once you're done with that, you want to add that to your whipping cream and mix until the ingredients are combined. And then here I'm just adding in my pink gel food coloring, and I recommend you guys do this part a little earlier just so you don't risk over mixing. That didn't happen to me, but just to be on the safer side, I think it would be better if you added in earlier. And this icing is a bit different than I thought it would. It's definitely more of a whipped cream frosting type of vibe. So yeah, just letting you guys know that. Moving on to the decorating process, I first put a red velvet cake layer, then my frosting, then a strawberry cake layer, then red velvet and strawberry. And I have 4 total layers of cake. By the way, this cake is going to have leftover scraps, so with that, I am going to be making cake pops, which I will be teaching you guys how to make in an upcoming video. And then I'm just going to do a crumb coat on my cake, get every piece covered and make sure it's smooth, and then add some more frosting to get, a thicker layer of frosting on there. Then I added some red melted chocolate to the edge of my cake for some drip effect. And I haven't done a drip cake in forever, so it didn't really turn out the best. And during this part, the chocolate started hardening up on me, so make sure you're very quick with this process because it hardened up really fast. And sorry, the next up is on portrait mode. My camera actually died, so I had to use my phone. And I do film TikToks while I'm filming my YouTube videos, so I got confused with the portrait mode. But you can still get the idea of what I'm doing. And then I use some pink and red heart sprinkles for the cake and around the side of it as well. And that is the finished recipe. I really hope you guys try this out. This cake was very delicious and definitely a good idea that I thought of randomly, kind of at nighttime, last minute, because I actually made some donuts to upload to my channel, but that recipe did not turn out right, so I decided to not use that video and to just make a whole nother one instead. So this is what I came up with, and I'm really happy I did because it turned out really good. And the icing was perfect. It was not too sweet. It was very light. You guys know whipped cream frosting is very, you know, light and not overly sweet. So if you're into that, I definitely also recommend you guys do this frosting. You can also do, you know, regular cream cheese frosting or a buttercream frosting if you want, but that's up to you. But yeah, that is the finished recipe. I hope you guys try it out. If you do, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. That is linked in the description. And I'll see you guys in a few days with a new video. Bye, guys.